Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we gonna learn participles. In this video we will learn what are participles and how many kinds has participle. Before we start the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative videos. First of all, there are two types of participle. There are two types of participle. Now, first one is present participle and second one is past participle. Now, present participle ends in ing. Present participles end in ing and past participle ends in eg, at, enn, d, t, n, r, n, e. Examples for past participles are asked, eaten, saved, dealt, seen, and gone. Now I have few examples regarding participle. So let's start and practice some exercises of past participle and present participle. First 6 examples we will solve according to present participle and last and next 6 examples we will solve according to past participle. So let's get started. I saw he blank by the window. Now the answer is sit. Now we will write the correct answer according to present participle in the given blank. So according to present participle, the answer will be sitting. Next one, they kept blank during the movie. Talk. So according to present participle, the answer will be talking. They kept talking during the movie. She was blank when I found her. Cry. According to present participle, answer will be she was crying. The hungry cat was blank loudly. Pour. Answer will be pouring. Next one. The teacher walked in blank. The teacher walked in smiling. Next one. The child was blank for joy. Shout. According to present participle, answer will be shouting. Now, next examples for past participles we have. First one is the meal was blank by Chef John, cook. So according to past participles, the answer will be cooked. The letter was blank in Italian, right? So according to past participle, the answer will be written. Her hair was blank red dye. Dyed. Her hair was dyed red. The window was blank by a rock break. So according to past participle it will be broken. The car was blank by a young man. Drive. The car was driven. The cake was blank before dinner. Eat. The cake was eaten before dinner. Hope you guys liked my video and learned something new. Thank you so much for watching this video.